Story: The Crows and the Cobra. High in a quiet tree, a happy crow family lived in peace until a sly cobra came with danger in his eyes. In this story, you will not only enjoy the tale but also learn new vocabularies with example sentences. Are you ready for a story full of courage, clever ideas, and learning fun? Story 9: The Crows and the Cobra, Level 1. A crow and his wife lived on a big tree. They built a nest on the top branch. The crow's wife laid eggs in the nest. A cobra lived in a hole at the bottom of the tree. The cobra was very cruel. He climbed up and ate the eggs. The crows were very sad. They wanted to save their babies. The crows thought of a clever plan. One day, the crow flew to the king's palace. He saw the princess bathing in the garden. She had a gold chain. The crow picked up the chain and flew away. He dropped the chain into the cobra's hole. The guards of the princess ran after the crow. They saw the chain in the hole. They dug the hole to take it back. They found the big cobra inside. The guards killed the cobra at once. The crows were very happy. Soon, the crow's wife laid eggs again. This time, the eggs were safe. The babies grew and played in the nest. The crows lived happily on the tree. Moral: clever thinking can solve big problems. Now let's learn the key vocabulary from the story, along with two simple example sentences for each word. 1. Nest, a bird's home. Example: 1. The crow made a nest on the tree. Example 2. I saw eggs in the nest. 2. Cobra, a big poisonous snake. Example 1. The cobra lived in a hole. Example 2. People are afraid of the cobra. 3. Cruel, unkind, causing pain. Example 1. The cobra was cruel to the crows. Example 2. It is cruel to hurt animals. 4. Guard, a person who protects. Example 1. The guard stood at the gate. Example 2. The guards of the princess ran fast. 5. Chain, a series of metal rings. Example 1. The princess wore a gold chain. Example 2. I have a silver chain. 6. Dig, to make a hole in the ground. Example 1. The men dug the hole. Example 2. I dig the soil in the garden. What a clever and brave ending. You saw how smart thinking can defeat danger and protect loved ones. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned new vocabularies with example sentences along the way. Did you like this story? Tell us in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories and learning.